Hello and welcome to my Adobe Minis series translated into English. My name is Tobias, and in this very first episode I would like to talk a little bit about Adobe's newly released software Fuse. It's part of the Creative Cloud, and if you are a Creative Cloud customer, I highly recommend downloading it first and then going on with this video. Okay, and one other thing worth mentioning, right now, March 2016, this software is only available in a preview version, so in a beta version, if you like to call it that way. That means this panel might be placed somewhere else, or other things might change, or maybe not. I don't know. For now, let's just hop directly into it by clicking on this zombie head, and boom, there it is. Textured and ready to export. Left mouse button rotates it, and zooming is done by scrolling with the middle mouse button. I clicked on the torso, and there you have it, legs. And let's give this guy 2 arms. Done. That was pretty quick, right? Okay, and what can we do with it now? By hovering over the model, you can see these blue highlighted areas. You can simply grab them and edit the mesh however you want. Maybe give this guy bigger muscles. Yes, that's good enough for now. Customize. This tab is for everyone who likes to get a little more precise. If you like to change something around the head area, just click on head and you're good to go. Next tab, clothing. Of course, you can dress your character inside of Fuse. Let's see, this guy deserves exactly this shirt. I like it. Let's give him some shoes, these ones. And then let's say you want the shoes to be a little bit darker, just select them and click on the texture tab. And here you have the different sections of the shoe. Let's see, no, that was the wrong one. Here it is. I changed this brown to a bit darker brown. Fine, and now I don't think he needs trousers. No, that's typical zombie business. No trousers. We could export this model right away as an OBJ file, but that is not what I want right now. I want to have this model rigged for me because I'm lazy and I do not want to rig it myself. That is not going to happen inside of Fuse. Instead, we have to save to Mixamo, and I give mine the name Zombie 5. I won't show you the other 4. And once you click on save, the model will be saved and automatically uploaded to the Mixamo server. That takes a few seconds. And then your default browser, in my case Chrome, will be opened automatically. Come on, Chrome. Yes. Now, the next thing we're going to see is called the auto rigger. The text here on the right says that this process will take about 60 seconds, and I never really stopped the time, but it feels like watching progress bars for about a minute. By the way, I do not cut these processing scenes out because that way you get a really good feeling how long it actually takes to work on a character like this. And here he is, our character in the auto rigger. Textured and ready to rumble. Again, left mouse button is rotating, and you can zoom in and out by scrolling with the middle mouse button. Okay, facial blend shapes, no thank you, not right now, and the standard skeleton is absolutely fine for now. Finish. This next screen shows you some available export formats. In my case, I'm working with Blender, so I choose DAE for export, and then I click view in my assets. This is my mesh. Everything's cool. Find animations. Click. And look at this. Mixamo offers you a whole bunch of pre-made animations, from the typical walk cycles to kicking, jumping, whatever, that otherwise would take hours, if not days, to produce by yourself. I choose this jogging animation. Whoops, he's jogging out of frame. That's a little bit stupid. I zoom out a touch and rotate the view. That's better. Okay, here on the right, we have the opportunity to tweak the animation to our liking. And if we're happy, we add it to pack. Give it a nice name. I call mine jogging slow. And once that's done, I click on save. Don't ever forget to save, and then I can add this to my assets. That button then changes into this view and download button. I click on it and ta-da! Here is our zombie, jogging and ready to get downloaded. Cue download. Click on it, choose your format. Mine was DAE. Again, we have to wait for it to process. Here you can see why this is called Zombie 5. And then I click on download. Simple as that. Come on, Chrome. Come on, come on. Done. Unzip it. And now let's check what we've got. Some textures. The diffuse, the gloss, normal, opacity, and specular map. The jogging cycle and the mesh itself. I copy this and to the folder where I want it to be. Like this. And now let's import this into Blender. This is the mesh, double click, and here is our zombie. And that whole process took us about 8.5 minutes. That is pretty cool. You can see parts of the skeleton looking through, which is okay for now. Nice. And of course, we can add the textures. Let me quickly add some light so we can see what we are actually changing, and then go on with the texturing process. Just quickly the diffuse texture, just to prove everything's there and working fine. Bam. And by the way, if you are not familiar with this texturing process in Blender, I could definitely record a video for that. Just let me know if you like to see it. Or simply search for it on YouTube. There are already tons of really good texturing in Blender videos out there. Okay. Fine, let's take a quick look at our animation. Once again, we need to import, and this time we choose the second file, the jogging file. here are the bones, and I play this through. The bones are jogging. One more time, because he's jogging like a king. Cool, right? And of course, if needed, you could change every keyframe parameter of this animation, but this video is not about Blender, it's about this fuse, and it's already too long. And remember, half of this video was about this Mixamo animation kind of thing. If you do not need that and you're happy with the mesh itself, just export an OBJ right out of Fuse and you're good to go. Which concludes my Adobe Fuse CC preview video. What a title. I hope you liked it. Maybe you learned something. Maybe. Honestly, I really do like the tool. It's fast, it's accurate, as far as I can tell right now. I know it's not the only tool out there that's doing such things, but it's doing a pretty nice job and it's fun to use. Just give it a try. Okay, that's it. Thank you very, very much for watching. Again, I hope you liked this video. If so, thumbs up. If you think it really sucked, thumbs down. Don't you dare. Guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.